Welcome to the JAHJAH Foundation Annual Gala.
JAHJAH Foundation, Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaicans at home.
I want to know it's going to be a great night. It always is. There's a lot of work that goes into this. As you can see, the production, we bring you state-of-the-art production. We take JAHJAH Foundation seriously. We take your donation money seriously. So when you want to come to an event and you want to make sure you come to somebody that take you seriously as a supporter, come to the JAHJAH Foundation. Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaicans at home.
Warm greetings you bring for us from Jamaica.
Yeah, nice.
We support JAHJAH Foundation because JAHJAH is doing great things in the land we love, Jam Down. Jamaica. And any man that do good thing for Jamaica, do good things for me.
And when you have an organization who can send an ambulance to Jamaica because of the involvement here, you have to support an organization like that because, you know, you can't say anything better. Right. One step is the ambulance, next thing is another ambulance. So I support it because we have our vision set on something bigger than an ambulance. So my support and everybody else's support tonight is going towards a bigger mission, a bigger cause, and JAHJAH Foundation give my 100% support.
I just wanted to say that it's such an honor and a privilege to be a part of the JAHJAH Foundation, to support them. If we had so many organizations out there that would do this, we would make such a difference in Jamaica. And they're making such a difference in Jamaica. So we just want to welcome everyone and even encourage more people to support so that we could build a better healthcare system in Jamaica. Thank you to JAHJAH Foundation for all their wonderful work.
That's it.
JAHJAH Foundation, one love. JAHJAH Foundation, making a difference.
JAHJAH Foundation is the best, reaching out to the world.
Because I'm Jamaican and I also work EMS, so it's very special and personal to me.
Well, we support what they do. I want people to know that it is very important that when you have the privilege of being able to help, that you will do so with all your heart, all your resources, and everything that you have, so that other people can have the same privilege to have health care.
She's a big contributor to the Caribbean community. She's a philanthropist and she is very generous. Hopefully she'll be generous with us tonight, but she's generally a very generous person.
I think it's amazing. It's admirable. I think that the support that the foundation has is unlike no other. And I hope that you guys continue to do great work.
Because they do a lot of charity work. They go to Jamaica, they set up those tents, and they help the people who really needs the help, who can afford help. And that's a big thing in our community, to help each other, our brothers and sisters.
Always support always have to support the JAHJAH Foundation.
I love to see people give back to their communities, and JAHJAH Foundation is one charity that always give back to Jamaica. So if nothing else, I had to be here. If I don't go no other charity, I had to be at this one.
I was introduced to the charity from a co-worker, and I've been coming for a few years now to the boat ride, the dinners, the barbecues and stuff. I love it.
George Boyce, longtime supporter of JAHJAH Foundation from the very beginning.
The question is why? Why do you keep doing it?
Because the cause that this organization supports is a much needed cause for the people of Jamaica.
Because it's a foundation with and for a cause. Is helping the underserved. So anything I can do to help, I'm there.
And what country are you from?
Barbados, the beautiful island of Barbados.
And you come to Jamaica and volunteer with us all the time. We see it.
Yes,
we
all
appreciate
the
the great
time.
work, all right?
Yep, thank you.
And big up Barbados, all right?
Yep, big up Barbados.
I've been coming for the longest time. I love to dress, and this is where the elegance is. You don't find much of this nowadays, and I'm enjoying every minute of it for the last 6 years.
Good afternoon. My name is Colonel Anita Kimbrough, DDS, Doctorate of Dental Surgery, for a foundation that is phenomenal philanthropy, humanitarian efforts. For years, my friend, Dr. Jacqueline McLean Marks, has been donating, giving, and participating in this wonderful foundation by taking these trips. And so I finally get to come here and be a part and witness what JAHJAH is. Yeah.
Because my friend invited me. That's the only reason. My sister.
You invited her?
I did.
Why did you decide to attend?
Because I've been supporting the JAHJAH Foundation for quite a while. And I love everything they're doing.
Okay. Well,
Boat ride, up.
Well, thank you so much for your support, all right?
Anytime.
For people in Jamaica.
Yes.
I come every year.
Okay. You like the mission? You like the work?
Oh yes. I support the work.
Well, thank you for your continued support, okay?
Thank
Hope
you.
Have a beautiful night.
Thank you. Well, I've been a supporter for all these years, and I really like the mission behind it, so I come out to support them every year.
Yeah, we know. You also made some big donations to Jamaica. We saw you in Jamaica.
Yes, you did.
We know who you are. Well, thank you so much for the great work that you do.
Okay.
Please keep up the good work, all right?
I will do. Thank you.
To support the cause, the bigger cause of people out in Jamaica that needs our support from in America. That's why I come back.
We need to do all we can for all our Jamaican family at home.
It's a good occasion, and we're doing for people of Jamaica, as Jamaicans abroad, taking care of those in need in Jamaica.
Well, actually I'm very happy to be here another year supporting Dr. Dixon and the JAHJAH Foundation. It's something that I enjoy doing, and I feel like it's my duty to support the organization, not because he's a friend of mine, but just helping Jamaica, helping the people of Jamaica in general.
for all the work that they've been doing in Jamaica. Thank you very much for that lovely ambulance. I know the older folks appreciate it very much.
That's like coming out, all right?
Yeah, that's like it was life to live.
JAHJAH saw the need, and we are addressing the healthcare needs of our communities in Jamaica.
Okay, well, thank you for your continued support and volunteering. Do a great job, all right?
Thanks.
Oh, it's been awesome. I think most recently super excited about a handheld ultrasound project that Trevor's really spearheading. There's a lot of cool stuff coming out of Jamaica as far as their clinical acumen and expertise, and I think those docs down there are pretty soon going to be outpacing what we're doing in the Bronx. So it's really exciting to see.
In fact, I had another event tonight, and I had to make sure that I sent coverage. Yes, because I promised, because I have to spread the love, and Dr. Dixon is doing, and his team is doing such a marvelous job, not just here in the U.S., but especially in Jamaica. And so I just wanted to ensure, and whatever time I call him is always available to help us at the consulate with whatever we need. And so I just had to make sure that tonight I show up to support Dr. Dixon.
I also want to tell you that likewise CG, whenever I call on CG to help and assist with issues in Jamaica that concern JAHJAH Foundation, she always steps up and she always supports the JAHJAH Foundation. So I'm sure it was a natural choice to choose JAHJAH tonight. Thank you for choosing JAHJAH. Remember, always choose JAHJAH.
JAHJAH, of course. One love.
JAHJAH Foundation.
Jamaica's abroad helping Jamaicans at home.
On behalf of the Board of Directors for the JAHJAH Foundation, I would like to welcome you all to our 8th annual Fundraising Black Tie Gala.